Hi friends, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today I'm going to do a video on comparison of fractions. This is the next series of my video topic fractions from class 6 NCERT Mathematics chapter number 7. And yes, in the last video already we have uploaded like fraction and unlike fraction. So from this video, this video is based on this type of fractions, means like fraction and unlike fraction. Fractions have three types, we know: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. According to their similarities, there are two types of fractions divided into two types. One is like fraction and another one is unlike fractions. And one more request, please viewers, as much as you can, share this video into your friend circles, to your colleagues. So please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now let's start the topic: comparison of fractions. How to compare fractions? You know about number system, means whole numbers, real numbers, and integers. It is very easy to plot a number on a number line, or easy to comparison according to their value. But here fractions contains two numbers. Suppose it is a fractions 3 by 5 or 7 by 3, whatever it may be. Here it is a proper fraction and this is an improper fraction, whatever the fraction it may be. But a fraction contains two numbers, 1 3 as numerator and 5 is denominator. Similarly, 7 and 3, there are two numbers in this fraction. 7 by 3 is a fraction, but this fraction contains two numbers, one is 7 and another one is 3. 7 as its numerator and 3 as its denominator. So it is not easy, it is not same as we compare at the case of integers, at the case of real numbers, whole numbers. So there are some changes to compare fractions, which is greater and which is smaller. So how to compare? In the last video already we have discussed about these fractions, about like fractions, and another one is unlike fractions. Like fractions having same denominator and unlike fractions having different denominators. First write here like fraction. 1 by 3, this is 9 by 3, 7 by 3. Like fraction means having same denominator, 1 by 3, 9 by 3 and 7 by 3. Then unlike fraction, the next type is unlike fractions. Here these are the three fractions are unlike fractions because they have different denominators. In the case of like fractions, it is very easy to comparison according to their numerator's value. Here denominator is 3. In each fraction denominator is 3. So these are like fractions. These are like fractions and the numerator's value are different: 1, 9 and 7. There are three different values, numerator values: 1, 9 and 7. According to our number system, according to our whole number system, we know that 1 is less than 7 is less than 9. Normally, you know 1 is less than 7 less than 9 on a number line. So now you can write here according to their numerator's value. You can write 1 by 3 is less than 7 by 3 is less than 9 by 3. It is very easy to compare like fractions. According to their numerator's value, you can write the fractions in ascending order or descending orders. Then next comes to unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, this is 7 by 9, 2 by 7 and 5 by 3. Unlike fractions, we don't know how to compare unlike fractions. So in this case, unlike fractions, you have to take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. Here denominator is 9, 7 and 3. So LCM of 9, 7 and 3. What will be the denominator of 9, 7 and 3? It will be 63. So now you have to make an equivalent fraction. Each fraction to its equivalent fraction having denominator 63. You have to make denominator same like fractions. Now These are unlike fractions, but you have to make like fractions. So how could you make these like fractions? You have to first take the LCM of the denominator 9, 7 and 3. The LCM of 9, 7 and 3 is 63. So now you have to make equivalent fraction of 7 by 9 having 63 denominator. Similarly 2 by 7 having 63 denominator. 5 by 3 having 63 denominator. So first make 7 by 9. So you have to make 63. You have to make 63. So 9 into 7. If you multiply the 7 with 9, then the denominator will become 63. And you know, in fraction, you have to do the same action at its numerator place. So you have to multiply the same with its numerator. Then the number will be 49 divided by 63. 7 by 9 is equal to 49 by 63. Both are equivalent fractions to each other. 7 by 9 is equal to 49 by 63. 49 by 63 is a new fraction, is a new equivalent fraction of 7 by 9 having equator 63. Then similarly now convert 2 by 7. 2 by 7. So again here you have to make 63 at its denominator. Then you have to multiply 9. Again multiply 9 with its numerator. It will be 18 divided by 63. And the last one 5 by 3. Now 5 by 3, 63. So 3 is 21. 3 into 21. You should multiply 21 with 3 to get 63 at its denominator place. So multiply 21 with its numerator. Now 5, 105. Now these three denominators are like fractions. By taking LCM of its different denominators, now according to equivalent fraction, now we convert these three unlike fractions to like fractions having same denominator 63. Now it's very easy to compare which is greater and which is smaller. According to like fractions rules, you have to compare the denominator. Here denominator is 49, here 18 and 105. The smallest one is 18 and the greatest one is 105. So you can write here 18 less than 49 less than 105. Then write here 18 divided by 63 is smaller than 49 by 63 and 105 63. Now you can write the original value given in the questions. Means 18 by 63. 18 by 63. The original value given by the question is 2 by 7 is less than 49 by 63. This is 7 by 9 and then 5 by 3. So now this is your answer. This is the formula. This is the procedure to compare some unlike fractions. Again I repeat it, when given that it is given to us that compare some like fractions, so it is very easy. You have to just compare their numerators and write their values as usual. I write here. First compare the numerators value. According to the numerators value, you can arrange in ascending or descending order as per your questions given to you. Then next come to unlike fractions. At the time of unlike fractions, we have different denominators, so we cannot compare as like fractions. So first take the LCM of the denominators. Then denominator is 63 and then convert all these unlike fractions in the questions given to us. Convert all these unlike fractions to equivalent fraction having same denominator 63. You have to make these three unlike fractions to like fractions having same denominator by taking the LCM of the denominators. So as per the formula, as per the procedure of equivalent fraction, you multiply 7 with 7 by 9, you multiply 9 with 2 by 7 and again you multiply 21 with 5 by 3 to convert like fractions having same denominator 63. And now these are like fractions and now it is easy to compare their numerators 18, 49 and 105 and then right here 18 by 63 is smaller than 49 by 63 is smaller than 105 upon 63 and next write the original value in our questions. From our questions, extract the original value from our questions. 18 by 63 is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 7. So write here 2 by 7. Similarly, 49 by 63 is the equivalent fraction of 7 by 9 and 105 by 63 is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 3. So this is your answer, like fraction and unlike fractions. And another one more thing about comparison of fractions. A proper fraction, a proper fraction is always smaller than improper fraction. You can say mixed fraction, because improper fraction, you know already, I have uploaded my video how to convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. So you can write here a proper fraction is always smaller than improper, or you can say mixed fraction, because you know improper mixed, you can present improper as mixed fraction and mixed fraction as improper fraction. So a proper fraction is always less than improper and mixed fraction, because a proper fraction lies between 0 to 1, and this improper fraction is always greater than 1. Proper fraction always lies between 0 and 1, and improper fraction is always greater than 1. And another one more thing, if there is a mixed fraction present in a series of questions, to find out the comparison, to find out which is greater or which is smaller, so according to their whole number part, suppose there is a mixed fraction 7 1 by 3 and 9 2 by 5. These are two mixed fractions, and you have to compare which is greater fractions, which is great, both of them, from both of them. So first look here, their whole parts. Here whole part is 7 and here whole part is 9. So you tick here, this fraction is greater than these fractions. Another one example. Look here, 5 whole 1 by 5, 8 whole part 3 by 5. In both these mixed fraction having same denominator 5. But look here, this is 5 whole part and this is 8 whole. So you know 5 is less than 8. So this one is greater. Otherwise you can write here, suppose this is 1. Sorry. Now compare both of these. According to their fractions value, according to their numerators value, you can look here, both containing same denominator, so these are like fractions. Now you can compare according to their numerators value, but no, it is not applicable here, because these are mixed fractions. There are mixture of a whole number part and a fractional part. So according to their whole number part, 3 and 8, which is greater? 8 is greater. According to their numerators value, here 4 is greater than 1, but yes, it is not correct, because 8 is the whole part which is greater than 3. So this value is greater value. This fraction is the greater fraction than 3 part 4 by 9. 3 whole part 4 by 9. And you know very well, a improper fraction or a mixed fraction contains always a whole part with a proper fraction. Always look here, improper fractions, when you convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction contains a whole part with a proper fraction. The fraction must a proper fraction. It is not possible containing a whole part with an improper fraction. A mixed fraction is always a mixture of a whole and with a proper fraction. So at the time of comparison of a mixed fraction, don't compare its numerator, first compare its whole part number value, the whole part value, then you can tick the greater one. Otherwise, if there are same whole part, suppose this is 3 1 by 3 and 3 2 by 3. Now both are containing 3 as its whole part. So now compare their numerator parts. Now compare the numerator parts, and this is the greater value, because here 1 is less than 2. Both are like fractions and both are containing same whole part, same whole number 3 in these both mixed fractions. So these are some tricky methods, tricky procedure to compare about comparison of fractions. You know, first like fraction and non-like fraction, according to their numerator value, you can compare like fractions, and if there are some unlike fractions, you have to convert them as like fractions having same denominator. Then as usual, you know, first you have to compare the numerators value, then you can compare the unlike fractions. According to the questions given to us, you have to replace the original value of these like fractions. These are like fractions, but you have to replace the original value. given to us. If there is improper fraction or mixed fraction to compare, you know always proper fraction is always lies between 0 and 1, and improper fraction mixed fraction is always greater than 1. So always proper fraction is less than improper, or you can say mixed fraction, because improper you can write improper as mixed fraction and mixed fraction as improper fraction. If there are some mixed fraction, then you have to first follow the whole part. If whole part is greater, then this number is greater than the another one. If they are containing the same whole part, the same whole number, then you have to compare its numerator parts. If these are like fractions, means it is 3, it is 3, denominator is 3 and denominator is 3. Otherwise you have to convert these like fractions, unlike fractions, to like fractions. And another one more thing, if they are like fractions, you have to follow the whole part, don't follow the numerator first. 3 rules. First follow the whole parts. If the whole parts are same, look, these proper fractional part, these fractional parts are these fractional part are proper fraction or improper fraction, sorry, like fractions or unlike fractions. If they are like fractions, then compare its numerator. If they are unlike fractions, then you have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Is improper fraction, then convert to like fractions and compare. So we do some more questions in our next video. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.